welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the ramp, and my girl doesn't care. She just jumped right in the water, shoes on and everything. But the driver of the truck looks like they're getting a little frustrated here as they're trying to winch this boat up. They're trying to get it up there. The driver's still yelling back at them. Hey, hurry up back there, guys. Oh, no, whoa! That was a risky move. The driver was getting frustrated and started to pull that truck forward, and that is just dangerous with these people back here. I mean, our girl's doing everything she can to try and get this boat winched up. And it looks like she's got it. She's going to back out of the way, and they'll be able to get this one out. But that was close, man. You can't start pulling forward when you got people behind the truck, in between the truck and the boat. But our driver's going to go ahead and pull this one out at that point. Our crew's backing down. This is a pretty good sized boat to be launching over here at 79th, especially being towed by a Jeep Wrangler, and we already know that's dangerous. Wait a minute. Well, this isn't good. They don't have a drain plug in. There's water coming out of the drain plug hole. Oh, he's got to stop. He's got to know, right? No, they're going to back it in. No, bro. Oh, man. Oh, our guy on the dock over here was looking at it happen, too. Like, hopefully he'll say something to him. We're too far away over here. Like, oh, man. And the bilge pumps come on, so hopefully somebody sees this, because this is obviously sign number one that we're in trouble. The bilge pump's on. But I saw water coming out of that drain plug hole. There's definitely no drain plug in this vessel. Our crew still hasn't noticed it yet. I mean, they've got to notice the amount of water coming out of the side of this. That bilge pump is working overtime on this one, but they've walked it off the trailer, and they are walking it down the dock into some trouble. I mean, if they pull out of here and get close enough to us, we'll stop them and warn them at that point, but from here, they're not going to be able to hear us saying anything. Oh man, this is bad. This is not good at all. And here comes our crew in, approaching on the dock. And we got some lines out, so we're kind of prepped up and ready to go. Our girl's kind of, gotta hold on. Oh, he hit the brakes, and nobody was really holding on or paying attention. He knocked them all down. Fortunately, disaster averted. Nobody fell over, and nobody got injured on that one, but man, whenever we're approaching the docks, always be holding on to something and paying attention, because you just never know when that captain's going to hit the brakes. They did finally figure it out. They saw the bilge pump running, and they went ahead and pulled this thing back out. But man, look at the amount of water that's coming out of the bilge pump and out of the drain plug hole. He's going to be here for a little bit, letting this thing drain. I mean, it was in the water for a good 4 or 5 minutes before they realized it was going. So our guys were pulling up here, and 2 of the 3 people on the ski fell off. So our guy's moving to the back, but man, this thing's running. Hold on, guys. Like, if he's coming up his back, somebody has to turn this thing off. Whoa, bro. You've got to be careful. Please, for the love of everything holy, don't stick any limbs anywhere near the impeller on this thing. So our guy, he's coming back off the side. He's going to try and climb up the side, which, with the engine running, is probably the right move. Our captain's like, no. Our captain's pushing him off and telling him to go to the back. But, man, you got to kill the motor if you want him to come up the back of this thing. There's no way I wouldn't go anywhere near the stern of this ski with that dang motor on, man. There's just no way. Like, we're asking for something absolutely horrific to happen here right now. I mean, it looks like he's going to try and follow the captain's instructions, but man, did he kill the motor? There we go. Okay. At least now we're doing this in a moderately safe way. That was actually a much more dangerous situation than most people would understand. But our guy couldn't find the ladder. Oh man, unfortunately we don't have the video clip of him falling in the water. We did miss that part, just the aftermath here. But that was a risky situation. And we still got a little confusion going on here, it looks like. So the first crew's ready to go, but the second ski's not started. But I don't see a key on the second ski. Oh, there we go. So the other guy had the key for this crew even. Oh, we're going to do the old switcheroo, it looks like, as well. This one could get interesting. We could have 2 more in the water here. Oh, oh. So we got one guy on the back. Trying to... Oh, he's going in the water. And he's gonna... I mean... Is he gonna come up the side of the ski, I guess? I mean, here all I had to do was put legs on one side and come over, but, I mean, this is more risky trying to tip the ski doing it this way, but our guy's gotten up to the front, and he has the key, so we should be able to get this thing started and get on out of here.
You recording right now? Hey, shout out to Richmond Lakers, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the Army, so, you know, I'm enjoying my vacation.
This crew looks like they're waiting for somebody to approach the dock. They've been trying to call somebody for a while over here. So we're kind of just floating and hanging out. Oh, we've been spotted. Oh, dear Lord. No, please. Oh, I don't know why we're seeing this even. He's clowning. Oh, but Captain almost clowns him. My man's not paying attention, having a little bit too much fun. And Captain almost clowns him and tosses him in the water. Things are starting to wind down here at the end of the day, and we're starting to see a lot of vessels come back in. We still do have a few launching. Kind of like this guy here. My man decided he's not waiting. He's going to try and squeeze through here. So at least he's got a spotter, but Cap's going to probably have to leave the helm. Somebody's going to have to push the bow off as we're pushing the stern off. Oh, we're going right into that boat. No, we're just going to rub against that one. I thought Cap might leave the helm to go give the push off on that, but instead we're just going to go ahead and rub that one. I guess there's nobody on the boat, so nobody really noticed or paid attention. Oh, maybe there is somebody on the boat. He just didn't notice it happen. But our captain, he squeezed through there. I mean, that was a tight fit. But we kind of see this one at the end of the day down here a lot. It just, people start getting a little frustrated and their patience wears out. And we got a lot of people coming in and people still trying to go out. And it creates some funky situations around the dock where, kind of like that, we got somebody who just launched and gets trapped in front of a couple boats who are trying to come in. And they just decide they're going to go ahead and get out of here without waiting for the vessels to move. So our crew's going to get out of here, and speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things over at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And, of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.